Are you worried it's too hot to take your baby outside? Perhaps you have a toddler who gets cranky when temperature is hot. Actually, we all do when it's scorching and humid. A stroller fan could be just what you need for a more comfortable time, both indoors and outdoors. Providing the best stroller fan for your baby is something many parents want to do, but we all fail miserably at. After all, stroller fan marketing information can be quite misleading for anyone who doesn't know what to look for, and that's why we are here. Hi, I'm Shababs, and today we're gonna unbox and review the AGWIM mini portable handheld stroller fan. So the first question is, what do we have on the box? On this side, the name of the mini fan. On this side, right here on this side, we've got like the specifications and how to ID your mini fan. So we've got the brushless motor, a centered piece of lead. The blades have LED colorful lights. At the back, the battery compartment, the fan switch, that's to turn it on and off. Indicator lights, Type-C charging port, LED switch. Beside, we've got a deformable foot, which is a huge plus. Other features include, well, the product name, versatile handheld stroller fan. We've got the model H8, the motor, power 5 watts input, battery capacity of 2600, battery life more than 500 times, working time between 4 and 14 hours, charging time 45 hours, well, the packing size and the packing weight. That's all about what is on the box. So without further ado, we're just gonna go straight and unbox.
I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
What comes in the box? First, we have the manual or the user guide. It basically comes in two languages. First, English on one side, and on the other side, Chinese. That's it. But it's quite simple and straight to the point. We've also got, I think this is some kind of fragrance to use with it. Comes with a free fragrance, and after this, you guys have to get your own fragrance. We've got the USB Type-C cable, and finally, we have the fan. Black color. The first thing we notice is the unique flexible tripod. It has a spongy surface, which makes it kind of waterproof. It's gonna be easy to clean. It seems more durable, safe, and even healthy for you and your baby. You can bend it basically at any angle that you wish. Create different forms. Maybe you want to use it as a handheld fan, or maybe a desktop, or even you want to use it as a phone holder. The good thing is that since it's flexible, you can use it on any surface. And since it's strong enough, there is no risk of it falling on the baby or anything. Its small size makes it easy to be stuffed into your backpack or your handbag. This will make a very good companion when you go outdoors. It has this aromatherapy function that allows you to maybe add and then enjoy a faint fragrance. All you have to do is you open right here. You're gonna drop the insect repellent into the pad, come back, and that's it. This fan also features a replaceable and rechargeable battery with 2600 mAh capacity. As such, it can run for up to 14 hours when fully charged. You can easily charge this fan using the Type-C USB cable it came with. This can be connected to your laptop, your wall charger, your car charger, power bank, and other devices. At the back, there are three parts. The first one, that's the on-off button. And this is the charging port for Type-C battery, and then this is the LED light. You can switch between 3 different wind speeds to find the ideal speed for your baby. The good thing about it is that the motor is quiet, ensuring that the noise doesn't wake your baby after falling asleep. If you press this the first time, that's the first speed. If you press it one more time, that is the second speed. And if you press it a third time, stronger speed yet. And then if you press it the fourth time, you're powering it off. Finally, we have this LED button. You can alternate between 2 lighting modes. Press this the first time, changes by itself. If you press it one more time, that's the other lighting mode. The first mode is auto changing, and the second one is just a white light. Talking about the fan speed, the first speed is this. This speed can last you up to 12 hours. Speed 2, stronger, and it will last you up to 8 hours. Speed 3, gonna last you up to 4 hours. To charge this, you can just connect to any device you have. In this case, I'm gonna connect it to a computer, a laptop, and here at the back. This indicator light, which is red, and after it's fully charged, it's gonna turn back green. That means it's ready. Remember, it's gonna take you like 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. So if you plan to get a mini fan, make sure to consider features like portability, mountain type, power source, battery working time, and material construction. And this fan is compliant with all that. It is powered by a rechargeable battery and a USB cable. The materials used in construction are durable and safe for your baby to handle. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and hope you have learned something in this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new video. Ciao, ciao.